little toy poodle. How much does Quinn weigh?
Stop. 6 pounds.
6 pounds. So he's in his nice little bitty cart. You can see how nicely it fits him. Let him run. Go ahead. This is a movie camera.
Oh,
We're taking video. Go. Here you are. You're off. You're off. You're doing great. Look at you. Look at you.
Not even 5 minutes. How amazing is that?
This is what we usually see. We call it the 30-second learning curve. And he's back to being a little dog again. He had surgery 4 weeks ago?
Yes.
Wow.
4 weeks Monday.
Good job, Quinn. You are the cutest.